What you see me doing now is braiding the ends of the hair as close to the end as possible, with just a little bit left out for that curl after the first wash. Now you see me starting the interlocking method. Typically I go from 12 o'clock to the 3 o'clock to the 6 o'clock to the 9 o'clock. But in this particular one, I'm doing the reverse. And it really doesn't matter which way you go as long as you keep that pattern. So I'm doing the 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, top, left, bottom, and right. And I'm going to continue that until I can no longer put my finger through the hair. And then I'll move on to my interlocking tool. And now I use my interlocking tool and I'll continue the same pattern until the braid is tight and secure. And the key is not to do it too tight because you don't want to pop those follicles. And here is some of the completed Microlocs. It's coming along very nicely. So here I'm just taking down the Bantu knots, and as you can see, because they were wrapped up in that same position pretty much for over 24 hours, they are kind of in that ponytail type of phase. So as the locks mature, they'll loosen up and they'll kind of merge into the parts that you see. So these will look very nice once they start to mature after a few days. Even after the first wash, those sort of permanent parts will kind of go away. Hope you enjoyed. I'll try to come back and give a couple weeks update after she's worn them for a while and after she's had her first wash.